Well, I'm just stopping in for just a minute to show y'all what I'm going to be working on today. And so, but I also wanted to tell you all, give you a heads up, be watching somewhere throughout the videos, at least 10 or 12 videos for the rest of the month. There will be a giveaway in the video. And when you see the thing that I'm going to give away, I'll show you somewhere in the video. I will show you, and you have to leave a comment on the video with your state, and this is going to be only in the United States. I cannot send these out of the country, but leave your state and a comment on the video. And it has to be, more than a hello or a one-word comment. You need to say, I'm in whatever state, and then make a comment about what I'm doing on the video. And you have to be a subscriber to this channel more than 24 hours in order to win the giveaways. You never know when that's going to happen, and there's going to be a few different things that I'm going to be giving away. So be alert. Today I'm going to be working with, I've got my tallow on. I'm going to be cooking that down. I won't video that since I've already got a video on here. I will link that here if you want to go back and look at how I'm doing tallow. But I will be doing some ground beef recipes today. So be watching. God bless you.